Going
what's your room
to
number?
724.
I'm actually in 724.
No way.
what do you?
Yeah,
I
I'm
know.
I can just come down there now and grab it. You just want to meet me there.
This is
Exactly what
we
I'm
have
talking
these
about.
Yeah, you can go there if you want. Alright, I'll see you in a bit.
Alex is here. She just got here.
I got presents.
She's contributing to the
to
the love of the group. Alex is going.
Wow. It's a little bag.
Why didn't we do this for Christmas?
Because we weren't like really good friends in Christmas.
These bags are so
Can we
cute.
open it? Oh, fuck yeah.
How
Can
do you know this one's mine?
It doesn't matter.
Is this Play-Doh? Oh.
You see who wins.
Wait, what do you get if you win?
What if you
You get something out of those.
Oh.
So we have these.
And I got
I'm a winner. You're a winner? Yeah.
What?
Does everyone win?
What?
Oh.
You fought with your BFF? What does that
What is
mean?
this?
Better luck next time. Aw.
You're a winner?
It says,
Oh, I'm a winner too.
I'm a winner.
They all say you're
What?
No, bro, earlier today in my room.
It's your present.
Yeah, and then I said,
Aw.
It's not your only present. Alright.
Thank you.
Everyone, time for the big gift. This is Leah. I didn't got yours, but I got you nerds.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
You don't even know why I got you that.
Oh.
You always say it. Well, this one's not wrapped, but Sawyer, we got you cinnamon rolls.
really? Thank you.
Dope.
Ruger gets a gift.
Sawyer.
Oh, that's so funny.
Great.
Colton, this is for
No,
Colton,
nothing.
everyone. Chase.
Oh, it's so easy.
Red bun. Yay.
Yay.
Thank you guys.
Alright, this one's really heavy.
Really heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What is it? One is the stick and one is the powder.
That's how it always is.
Yeah. But it's different flavors.
Yeah, I thought it was.
So, the lights are going off for some reason.
We're gonna catch on fire.
They're all going off. Able to ride it. Look at its head. Oh my gosh. I didn't know they made these. What are you eating? The Oreo. These are really good. I've never heard of those ever. I've literally. Are they good? Do they taste like Oreos?
I don't know. They taste like those cookie ones.
What?
Cookie crisps.
Yeah.
Cookie.
It's a little baby. Indy.
Alright, little update on the tent. We haven't really gotten that far. It's been like 10 minutes, so. Everyone can see me vlogging right now and I feel awkward.
Hey, it's for the vlog.
It's for the vlog, but I feel awkward. I feel awkward and I'm not even in it.
Wait, what?
I feel awkward and I'm not even in it.
Hold on. I'm gonna light it.
Hold on. I need to.
So don't turn it on. Yeah, right there.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it on.
Put it this way. Put it.
Way.
It's going right in.
Oh my god.
Get out of my face!
It's just coming up.
This is gonna make me cry.
Oh, so the mood has changed.
We're in Italy now.
What if it's not and people start hating on us because we're like uncultured?
I'm sorry if I offended people in Italy speaking.
If that's not my music. Okay, so we remembered kid movies that we used to watch when we were kids.
To fly with dragons.
Oh wait, what is? I wish it
In a
was.
land apart.
I wish it was to fall apart to Five Dragons in a land apart. Real. Powerpuff Girls. I definitely watched Powerpuff Girls.
definitely watched Powerpuff
Yep. Yep.
absolutely would.
I loved it.
That's not the full one.
It says I wish.
We're gonna watch a video.
Why would dragons fly apart?
No, but isn't it longer?
I wish.
Oh my god, that is so scary.
Yeah. Why would dragons?
That's all they would say?
Oh.
What? I thought it was so much longer. I thought it was so much longer. Okay, I'm with Bree here, and I'm just with Bree here because we got left by Anna, but that's okay because they're gonna have fun. Yeah, Anna and Alex, Sawyer, Matt went down to Phoenix tonight. Chase was supposed to be here too, so you weren't by yourselves, but Chase is gone now too. So I don't know what we're gonna do tonight. We might just end up sitting here, which It's fine. But yeah, we're gonna have a little unplanned girls' night.
Missing 2 girls because they're in Phoenix.
Yeah,
But-
true. But we still love them. But expect repercussions. I'm kidding. For you guys that think Northern Arizona is all sunny and amazing all the time, no, it's snowing. It's snowing. Look at the sign. Look at the sign. Oh my god. It's just like someone pushes you. It's like you sit there and someone's just pushing you. Oh my gosh. It's getting worse. Oh my god, the wind stopped though. The wind stopped, so that's nice. So I'm with Bree right now. It's 20 degrees outside. and we're gonna go to the coop to get food because that's what we want. And the weather is not gonna define us. Apparently. Right, so while we're waiting, I changed my emphasis today.
Yeah.
So the good thing is I don't have to take any biology anymore. I don't have to take any biology. But the emphasis I changed it to, I have to go up to calculus 2. Yeah!
Leah, you know how hard calculus is?
No.
It's really hard.
But I can't do biology. I can't.
Bio is a lot easier than calculus.
Well, we might be screwed, folks. Ask me in 4 years how I'm doing.
I took 2 years of calculus.
See, you did it.
I did it.
Yeah, so that means she could just do it for me.
I don't know what that means.
Okay, guys, so that is it for this week's video. Right now, we're in the boys' room. They're playing poker. And Alex, she's playing too.
I cashed out. She cashed out.
Oh, she cashed out. Did you make money?
I made $13.
Yay! She made $13. $3 bucks. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can see when Anna posts next Tuesday. Bye!
Bye.